Throughout my life, I have felt the need to become expert at things, to be the best, the go-to guy. And while this may seem like an admirable quality, it has put borders and boundaries on my willingness to step out of my comfort zone. We are taught and conditioned to look up to and admire those who are at the top of their field. And whilst many of these people are worthy of our admiration and respect, I've come to realise that it's more often than not their perseverance, their willingness to try, and their acceptance of failures that gets them where they are. I spent a lot of time chasing perfection, frustrated by the variance between the image in my mind and the reality in my hand. As a maker, and more specifically a woodworker, I chased the perfect dovetail, the perfect mitre, and even the perfect tools. Perhaps though, satisfaction and enjoyment as a maker comes in the chasing of excellence and the acceptance of the fallacy of perfection. Excellence was once described to me as being the absolute best possible with what is available. What is available to me may not be the perfect tool. It may not be the perfect materials. It may not, and often is not, the perfect skill set. What is available to me is my tools, my materials, and my skill set. On any given day, I can choose to chase excellence with what I have. I can make the most crooked, wonky, ugly-looking piece. But so long as I know that I produced the best I could with the combination of tools, materials, and skill sets available to me, I have the right to feel satisfied, to feel accomplished, and to have pride in my work. Perfection is not achievable. Excellence can be achieved today. I can add the knowledge of today to my skill set, and I can achieve a new level of excellence tomorrow. Excellence can be a daily chase and a daily achievement. I move out of my comfort zone by accepting that excellence is just that. It's excellent, and it's a lot more fun than failing at perfection. Or maybe I'm overthinking it.